These are 10 tips I live by for a peaceful mindset, and I would like to share them with you. 1. Start your day slow. Don't rush. Breathe, stretch, or sit for a minute before you grab your phone. 2. Say no without feeling bad. Protect your peace. If it doesn't feel right, don't force it. 3. Let go of what you can't control. Some things just aren't yours to fix, and that's okay. 4. Spend time alone. Quiet time helps your mind to recharge. It's not lonely, it's powerful. 5. Be thankful and purpose. List 3 things you are grateful for every day, big or small, it counts. 6. Forgive, even if they don't say sorry. It's not for them, it's for you. Peace feels so much better than anger. 7. Keep your space clean. A messy room equal messy mind. Tidy space, tidy thoughts. 8. Breathe deep, not fast. When you feel stressed, pause. Inhale, hold, exhale, repeat. 9. Stop comparing. Your life is yours. Social media is a highlight reel, not real life. 10. Do one thing you love every day. Sing, paint, dance, read. Even 10 minutes a day makes a difference. Peace isn't a place, it's a mindset, and you can build it one step at a time.